Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from Codebook.in. Today I brought you a project on social media platform and the concept is secure groups in social media platforms. Okay, like social media platforms, we have Telegram is there, WhatsApp is there. Okay, we will have so many groups. So how can we provide data sharing very securely is the concept of this project. And you can see this is the landing page of our project. If I scroll down below, and these are all the dynamic data we are getting from the database. Okay, this is all the dynamic data. These are all the groups, in fact. Educate India, Funny Day. Okay, we can request here to join the group. These are some categories of the groups. Let me tell you what are the softwares are required. For front-end development, we have used here HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For backend programming, we are using Python programming language here with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python. Database, we are using MySQL in this project. And I have done the same project in AWS cloud storage, okay, real-time AWS cloud storage, in case if you need or if you require such kind of, okay, a real-time cloud, you can ping me. Let's see how we can execute this project step by step. First of all, there are two different types of users are there in this project. Admin is there and user is there. So to execute very smoothly, I will open admin in separate tab and user in separate tab. Suppose for an example, this is the admin tab and I'll open a new tab for user here. Let's go to admin and see what are the options we have in admin. So let me log in with admin credentials here. This is the admin dashboard. We have provided a simple and very realistic dashboard to the administrator, where admin can see how many users are in pending, which means unauthorized users, those who are waiting for account activation, how many groups are there, and upload request. Okay, how many upload request is there? These are all the new request, okay, user request. And there is an option here, create group. Let's go to this option and we will create a group here. Group name, travel, and group location. Let's say it's in Hyderabad. Upload image. Let's upload the image. Some image I'm selecting here. Next, select the type, entertainment, group description. Enjoy your life by exploring new places. Submit. And you can see your group form is successfully uploaded. We can go to group details here. There is an option and we can see here there are plenty of groups and the group which we have created just now is displayed here. Group details. Now let's go to user and try to register a new user. Let's provide name, mobile number. Kindly provide the correct email ID because we are going to retrieve some mail here. Location is Hyderabad. Profile picture. Let's upload the profile picture. Next, create a password. Type of user is student. Type of interest is entertainment. Let's submit. and form is submitted. Let's click OK. Now the next thing is the password was visible here. Let me sort out later. Okay, just a simple attribute we need to change. Now, the next thing is let's try to log in with these credentials. Your request is pending, so cannot log in. This application is having a point here. No one can easily come and utilize the services of this application. We have to wait for the administrator approval. Okay, admin will authorize the user account. Let's go to admin and let's try to check out here in the user request. Okay, you can see here in the user request, there is a user here whose account is in pending state. Let's accept the user account. And the account is accepted. Now, let's try to log in. Login successful, you can see when I reload, the form is submitted again. Login is successful. When the login is successful here, number of views, 0, number of downloads, 0, number of uploads. I don't have any data. So let's explore these options step by step. My profile, first of all. This is my profile. If you want, we can change anything and click on submit here. Next, news feeds is there. Okay, I can upload any news feed and I can check here under sports and entertainment education how many post has been done. Latest groups are there here. Under latest groups, these are all the groups. And you can see here just now what we have created, travel group is available. Okay, these are all the latest groups. Last in first is displayed here. These are all the groups. Now let's request to join this group. Request sent successfully. And I will request to join sports as well. And if we go to suggested groups based on our interest, it suggests the application will suggest the group. You can see here, travel group is suggested by the application. Suggested group is this. Now let's go to, already we have made a request, so I'll not make it. Now let's go to admin and check here, group join request. This Fuzzle user is requesting 2 groups to join. Okay, it's in pending. Let's accept this and this as well. Now we'll go to my groups. In user account, we'll go to my groups to check. You can see 2 groups are there. Entertainment and sports. This was the recommended, suggested by the application, and this I joined. Now I can upload files in this entertainment travel. Let's click on this upload and view is private or public. I can make it here. If I put it public, it will be visible to all. So here is the concept. Whatever you are sharing in online social networking sites, in groups especially, you will have an option here to make it public and private. Okay, so let's say public, post name is London tour, upload file, something. My London tour was on from, it's recommended to everyone. Okay, submit. So it's submitted. Now, in the my groups again, let's upload it one more time under upload. Select private, I'm saying now. Post name is Dubai, upload file, submit. Submitted successfully. Let's come here and come to the admin, and you can see here user request we have seen, user upload request we have seen, and under user upload request there are two different files are there. Okay, Dubai and London tour. Let's accept this. One is public view and another is the private view. Both are accepted. Let's go to user and let's go to news feeds. Now you can see here under news feeds, Dubai is visible here. This Dubai tour is visible. And London tour is visible because this is uploaded by me. Okay, this is uploaded by me, it's visible. Let's click on this particular option, Dubai tour, and download here. The file is downloaded. Okay, open the file. This downloaded very correctly. Same, let's download London tour. Download it, open the file. And this also downloaded. Next thing is tags are there here. Education tag. Okay. And sports is there. Let's go to latest groups, and in that let's go to sports. Request to join. Let's go to admin. Groups join request. Here it is. Let's accept. Under my groups, I can see here sports is also added. Now let's log out from here. And under news feeds, if we go, you can see directly this is okay, publicly available. This is their jokes, and this user sports is there. If you click on download, okay, it will ask you to log in, and education is there. Some okay, you can see the one which we have uploaded. It's also coming. In Dubai tour is not coming because it was private. This is public London tour. And the latest groups also, we can see all the latest groups. So this was a simple project which we have seen for providing data security. Okay. With this, I conclude the project execution. Hope you got it. If you're not getting anything, okay, if you have any doubts, you can ping me on WhatsApp to this number given in the video. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.